Here we have a demonstration of our virtual reality office design app. This is a highly interactive office space where you can move things around and make changes in order to design your own ideal office space. As you can see, you can do everything from opening and closing the doors through to rearranging the furniture. For example, this nice coffee table here might be better over here. You can interact with, for example, the stationery and folders, as well as really configuring a workspace. For example, here in this standing space, we might move the phone, but also, for example, move the little drawers there, as well as placing the, let's say, the chair in a better position. So you can interact with all of the items here, as well as checking out everything from the gorgeous view of a city through the different boards and artwork on the walls, as well as moving here into the manager's office and having a look at how things would be sitting behind the manager's desk, looking at everybody else working. So there you have it, the view from inside our virtual reality office design app.